Today be good Sunday. It's getting to 2 years for America. I don't know the time we did for Ghana. I know say most of you people dey Labadi Beach. Where Foresight TV to they go on. You understand me? We people we see what they go on for the couple of days now. What we they talk about? Where we no get problem plus anybody. This Vidality Nation they free what I mind. You understand me? So you get problem plus what are they talk? It be your own problem. Me, I know they care about you. So if your life, then my life be different. Your atmosphere, then my atmosphere be different. Now it be cold for here. Where you they be hot. So me that you don't get it. See what are they wear? This one we they wear in winter time. If it be cold for here, we they wear them. If you dey Ghana, you they wear this thing for hot season inside. You be villager. America, we know they wear this thing hot time. Winter time, you wear them for Europe, for anywhere. So if you did there, you make yourself say you be crossing anything go from Europe, America, you come, no. Here we they dress with season. When the season come, you change it. Every season with his clothes and things where you go wear. You understand me? So this time around, we did winter inside. You must put heat on, make you get warm. Without the heat, you know go good give you. Yeah. Before I go start the talk, I want to greet my president. It be me, my president, your president, President Nana Akufo-Addo, the president of Ghana. I dey salute you. I dey respect you with all respect. You understand me? Yeah. Yesterday, we always see the wind way they blow between Ghana then Nigeria. It be show based. You understand me? It be entertainment, something we they do. But one side want take the thing, take like a tribalism between two countries. So fight they start to. You they take your words like play, then it go escalate, it go reach some level. Before we all we go think say why this thing reach this level. Shit has already happened. Then we all go regret say why we no quench the fire early. Where the thing reach where you reach. You understand me? If we all we go think on our own bandana, since he started do music, we know how he come the scene inside. The first song he released was Bandana from Ghana, where the song can make hit. But God say no be in time where he vanished for the system inside. He go hard for so many years. Samini come out with Linda. God say be Samini in time. Samini Linda hit. He maintained the entertainment show. He zooked the show. He make the show what he want to do the show for so many years. Where God, he tell you say, if he no kill you, he go feel bless you anytime. So as God no kill Bandana, where he bless him again. But how do he bless? He bless Bandana. But how do Bandana come? He come with controversy, lies, framing stories. What you know here, he say here. What you know see, he say he see. He put for Samini in top. He lie big lies. We always support before. You understand me? But that be how God say he go pass top, take chop. I no go lie you. But we will see how Ali do hustle. We could put that one aside. You understand me? So okay, hey Bizzle, make you no talk shit. Say so the Nigerians stop this. Make you know how come? If the Nigerians then wake up when they start to diss your president, or who go bring the problem? You ever see fire without smoke? You ever see fire without smoke before? You don't understand me? Moko put that aside. Bandana, you can't put for your war top say, make Wizkid fans apologize to our president, or else make Wizkid no come Ghana. One, make I tell you something. Alidu. Maybe you get music sense, but you don't get sense, you don't get knowledge, you fool. The only way you go feel stop them from coming to see Ghana, then Nigeria, they collect visa, they come to the country inside. I don't want to ask you. You they collect visa, where they come the country inside. The only way you go feel stop them, say don't give them visa to come. They collect visa, they come Ghana. And they ask you. Apart from the America, then the Europe, they go another country, go. If you dey Africa country, they enter another Africa country, they collect visa. Who they go for visa? You understand me? So you bandana, you can't put for that say make Wizkid in France beg when a president or else make it no come Ghana. How do you know say the fans them be Wizkid them are fans? Make I tell you something. Maybe most of the people with them comment, they not be Wizkid them are fans, so they don't support Wizkid though. But how they want disrespect Nigerian guy, you know? That be why they fight Divam. Maybe most of the people where they comment, you know, they not be in fans, so but they don't want make it and see you out of nowhere. You go disrespect them, my fellow Nigerian. If Wizkid no good self, he bring eye for Nigeria top. He bring a lot of attention give Nigeria people. You understand me? It bring a lot of attention for Nigeria people. So what you bandana you know get sense? There's a law that govern a foreigner. So that village life you can't they give one gunshot, pa 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 pa, it be crashing ma. America here you do and they go arrest you. You just come out. America here you just come out, they give gunning shot like that, pa 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 pa. Then go arrest you. You be this what they do it be Ghana you go fit do this. You see why Africa know they move forward? You go determine give the president of Ghana say make Wizkid in France. This thing have nothing to do with politics. This thing it has nothing to do with politics. When I tell you something, Wizkid go come Ghana, you don't go fit do one nothing. There's a law that govern a foreigner. If you don't know her, call the president where give you that privilege, where you come that Flagstaff house, you know. Make you read the law, show you. Call that president, you know, where that president where he bring you for the Flagstaff house. He go show you the law where they govern a foreigner. So you did there, no. You see, anytime I tell you, say go learn the law, learn your left and right. Me, I be foreigner for America here. There's a law. America getting old law where there's a law that governs me. That's why they got my consulate for here. You understand me? That's why they get my consulate for here. Don't just wake up so called Facebook be free. You get one Ghana cedis credit, you go fit can't comment any shit. You go fit can't put any update. So you go come to that say make Wizkid fans go back to the president. Who the fuck is you? Bandana anyway. You know they rule Ghana, you know they make law give Ghana. You be minister, you dey go parliament some. So Mr. President, we dey respect you. We know say you no go involve yourself for this thing inside. Make you know make some fucking dirty guy they call him Bandana Shatawale can't talk his fucking things. So if you give him some privilege, come the Flagstaff house. You understand me? So make you can't take Facebook say making fans beg. See, Bandana, you no get sense. Nana Akufo-Addo e dey there no. He dey think past you. You know they part of him problem. Cry. It be some lucky way you get. If you just wake up, then just go Togo or something. Then make something happen to you. You understand me? Master, you who to be this? Filibanga. What did they talk? You say you know they agree plus me. You know say anything bad about Wizkid. Why? What did they talk? The song he released give Wizkid. Wizkid call him. The song he released give Wizkid. Wizkid call him. My party, you they follow the social media, follow what they go on before you go can comment. The song he do give Wizkid. Wizkid call him. Timaya and Patoranki this them call him. Don't just comment so if you won't comment. Who the Bandana go put for in WhatsApp say make Wizkid no come Ghana? You there America, you be American. You know be Ghana you from. Who be American guy go tell you say you Ghanaian make you no come to America? Or you there they go feel can't tell American guys say make you no come Ghana. Ghana no be your own. You are just a citizen of Ghana. You don't make roots. So Filibanga, don't just comment if you won't comment. You understand me? The guy that disgrace Ghana. What did they do? Be very disgraced. So if you don't know law, go learn law. That was what after the insult. So what bring the insult? What bring the insult? What bring the insult? Ask yourself. If fans insult you, the fans be the artist. And they ask you, If you Philibanga, you be musician, where me too I be musician. Why I go there radio top? Why I talk shit about you? When my fans your fans started insult me. You know be you insult me. You know be you insult me. So as me I talk, where you know attack me, your fans attack me. You know be you attack me. So you know I don't get right to come do some insult you. So cause I no hear from you. So get sense. It be sensible. Don't just read the thing. Think deep before you talk. You must for think deep. You go talk about the artists. If be in fans will attack you, that's why they are fans. The same way you people they say could support them, no. The same way you people they talk say could support one our own, no. The same way them today they support them our own. But because we be sensible people, we from sensible home, we don't fight any just stupid fight on the street. We were born on the street, raised on the street. Like we fight any useless fight on the street, we know sure say we go reach where we reach today. Maybe by now we are dead and buried. If you be street hustler, you know the street code. You know be any fight you they fight, even though you be mafia. Where your bandana idea that they make mob say make whiskey no come Ghana. Make I tell you something. See then get people for to do. Then get Accra to do. Then get mafias where they make noise. You see the Nima. Then get mafias for Nima, where then they lungu inside, they make noise. Then get mafias for Tema, where then be crack, they make noise. Then get mafias from Ashama, then get mafias from Medina. Everywhere get mafia, but then just there. Making noise, you know they mean say you they control. Then get people where they be bad, but they just they observe. When the right time come, there you go hear them. When the right time comes, there you go hear them. So if you don't go somebody in farm inside, you they talk, you they figure say your farm get plenty food. Who be he go right for and what say my fans go worry you? Is that a sensible thing to talk? See, Moko put joke aside. He saying fans go worry him. Let's put jokes aside. You want the water? It's on the couch. Moko put jokes aside. He just put that thing for in water. Maybe you know be serious something, no. He just put that thing say if Whiskey no apologize to President of Ghana, it come Ghana people go worry him. Then may God forbid mistakenly Whiskey come Ghana. Then mistakenly maybe somebody shoot. Something they happen where they mistakenly shoot, where go touch Whiskey. Or somebody throw something mistakenly go happen to Whiskey, he die or he do something. Ask yourself, say we want a Ghanaians where they Nigeria, no. Whether they hustle, no, they feed them and family, no. Why if you guys say go happy? That be what I want to ask you. Don't just come on social media and comment. If you are a star, I dare your top. That's why they say what, anything go feel happy. So watch your mouth, then the things you they talk. Even though we do social media, we they play joke. But if you be celebrity, I dare your top people, they watch you. You need to watch the things, most of the things where they come out of your mouth. And they tell you, anything go feel happy. You go feel calm, maybe not be what you talk self. Oh. The people where they go out, maybe some people they do them and fight. Mistakenly Whiskey, the R2B's people they pass. Then something happened to them. You already put that threat for them. Nigeria government go wake up, oh. And they tell you, Nigeria government go wake up. When your government in body go bad and them for come out, so of your artists put a threat over there. When Nigerians too, then we get Ghanaians and they hustle, they feed them a family. Same way the Nigerian people today Ghana. The same way be global. You understand me? So that be how it is. So you must for think. Make you no figure say you be celebrity, they open your mouth, how your mouth big, you know. You just they open the talk. You know the rule Ghana, go Kolegono. If you Kolegono self you they claim say you from, you know they make rules for that. You see me why the time I they laugh you people. Somebody feed a comment, if I see you for Ghana, I go beat you. If I see you for this, I go beat you. I swear to God where they worship. Then the plane will go bring me for Ghana one day. You see me in person, you go run. Wallahi. You just did it, they make morph. If I see you, you see me in person, you go run. You know if you do me nothing. You no go fit do me nothing. I no go lie you. You don't understand me? So you did there, you must for think. You say they motivate youth. Ask me, when motivation they motivate youth. Bandana, you call yourself Shatta Wale. We know you. Master, we know you. The time you come out with bandana from Ghana, it be God, then Tiny. That time Tiny be the hot cake. And it be Tiny where he give you, God then Tiny, where you come out, where you hit. The time where your song come, you can't blow. God say no be your time. So he hide you small. The time where God hide you, bandana will see you. I put some picture for my wall top. Then go edit my head pool for some madman in top. Say that be me. Me I be madman. But the mistake they do, as they edit the picture, you know if he edit my face, my body be fresh past that madman where they put for there. You understand me? But I want to tell you something. The time where your bandana, you do bandana from Ghana where you know hit, where you go underground again. That madman where you edit me, it be neat past that bandana. That madman where you edit my head, go put for top, say me, I be that madman. That madman was nice and clean past bandana. You understand me? That time bandana, it be criminal. It is still phone. The only nika I get be some Chelsea pant. If they wear some Chelsea pant, the heat way they the pant inside the low, you go feel boiled egg. You understand me? So that's what we see you. All before your bandana, all before they bring them for me cash, they buy them food, then drink. Oh boss, bossu. But today you can't get small money. The people who then you stab the deportee, the Arabi, then this sheriff, for you betray them all. You understand? You betray them. Who we not say so you go do that, they bring you for me cash, or before they put you, I cure. They put you for motorbike, they bring you for me cash, they buy you food. We not say so you go do, we go poison you. But we not say go content big like this, we go disrespect people. Or lie. Like we will give you poison, you go chop that. I don't go lie you. But today see you. Small money. You they call Samini old man. You say Samini be old man. Now you two be old man, the jealous small boy, Wizkid. You they call Samini old man. Oh. Now here you day. Old man like you. You the jealous small boy. Why? Because Allah bless him. Why? Because he's international, he's global, he spread his wing. Why? Because the boy be nice boy. Put jokes aside though. Even though you get problem plus Wizkid. If Wizkid call Shatta Michi today, say he did this place, make she come, she go run past Usain Bolt. Wizkid call Shatta Michi today for photo. Say, hey Michi, this is Wizkid. I need you for Tema Community 3. She go run past Usain Bolt. She not go take herself. She go run past Usain Bolt, go meet him. Shatta, the boy, they Shatta pass you. Wearing better clothes, they wear better clothes past you. If you be Burberry, be Burberry. If you be Gucci, be Gucci. If you be Versace, Versace. If you Dustin and Michael Kors, it be Michael Kors. The boy, see, where he reach, leave him. Go bring different fight, Moku can support you. Timaya no be your level. The time Timaya them, they drive me back their things. Bandana, that time where you dey? The time Timaya come out with, Monica, leave me, make a pass. Me then you know they the same class. Obstacle come, I go chop and pass. Only go. Hey, that time where you dey? That time I lead you they still people them a phone for cafe inside. That time you be phone thief, bandana. You they still people them a phone for cafe inside. You understand me? Today you go get small money. You want disrespect everybody, Arabi, then deported. Hey. You see, say people don't go fit me now. You start the edit picture. Me, I don't go reply those people. My water will be expensive. My water will be traffic. Traffic day, my water like this. Traffic. People they wake up early in the morning. Make them can't see what I put for my water. My water they give them headache. Bandana know they feel sleep. In military know they feel sleep. They go talk at the safe. If they work fake things. Captain, if they work fake things. You two dey insult Patoranking. But I want to talk something. Salty where you dey follow SM. They say Salty paparazzi. You the same Salty the kiss bandana in ass. You the same Salty to the kiss Patoranking in ass. Now these two people they fight. Salty, you want to see where you go support. You don't understand me? We want to see where you go support. Salty. If the kids, I see your video in the Patoranking for South Africa, Patoranking they perform, then they shout you out, then they call your name. But now two people they fight. Now tell me where you go support. SM or Patoranking. You don't understand me? So if you dare educate yourself, then get some people that my understanding is very difficult. Anytime I tell people say, me, anything I put for social media, make you not take them personal. It be joke I dey joke for social media. Anytime I tell people, my posts and things, I dey play. If you take my things personal, you go get BP, you go die. Why? See, at their country, they say God bless America, land of freedom, land of the brave, land of opportunity. Ask your brother, say, why did they pass Mexico by road? Did they die just to come to America? Ask your brother, so no disrespect. Ask your brother, say, why they leave Ghana, they go Libya? Ask your brother, say, why they water top? They won't go cross, go Italy. You ask your brother that, you know, ask him that. I tell you, you dey country where they respect foreigners pass you. Why? Because you are too stupid to learn. If then they educate you, you know they like. If you guys say if you insult somebody, that one go make you giant. That one go make you superior. That one go make you fool. You understand me? You are too very stupid. So if you know they won't learn. Here we dey. Make I show you small example. We dey Ghana here. Ghana they do galamsey. You see that galamsey? Ghana they do galamsey. Since when our great grandfathers them at time, Ghana they do galamsey. You don't understand me? You know, be today, plenty people take galamsey, pay them kids school fees. Plenty people take galamsey, take fly them children to abroad, build house, give them a family. You know, make life, give them a family. As time goes on, Chinese people come, Indian people come, Pakistanis, people from different countries come. Then bring money. You know, be small money. Then come Ghana. They want to do galamsey. When our own government give those people license to do galamsey for Ghana, where they open them mouth, they tell we want the citizens of Ghana say, make the Lord do galamsey. They burn them machines, but then allow Chinese guy, they do galamsey. They allow Indian guy, they do galamsey. They allow Pakistanis guy, they do galamsey. Why? Because it bring money. Go under these big companies where they Ghana. Go under these big companies where they Ghana. Go search. Most of the companies know they pay tax. Why? Because they open the company, but it's under Ghanaian person in name. So if you put under his name as a foreigner, in taxes go high. So you get Ghanaian friend where the company they under his name. But all the benefit they go to him, the Chinese or the Indian guy. Why? Look of you where you go chop. But here we dey, when our brother, when our own Ghanaian citizen, if from anywhere, only God know where he from, he can open big company, media called Xylophone. He open big company called Xylophone. He signed big artists. You understand me? He signed big artists. He opened TV stations, he opened radio stations. All of a sudden, Ghanaians so much support and hatred, they you people your heart. People started talking, say, oh, the guy is a cocaine dealer. The guy is a ritualist. The guy be this. The guy be this. Even they have people, they won't investigate how the guy they making money. Why? Because he buy private jet. But why you not go investigate that Chinese guy who bring millions, who buy machines, they do the galamsey, say how you make the money take come Ghana. Why you not go investigate that Indian guy who open the restaurant where they put Ghanaian citizen eye for paper and say how he make money can open that restaurant for Ghana? Why you not go investigate them? But your own citizen can open big companies, they buy car, buy private jet. You know, appreciate time. You say you want to investigate how you make money. You see why you Ghanaians, you fool, you know they go on. You see? You see why people know they go on? You never go on and to your generation to come. If you can say insult, they make you superior. We will not insult past you. We know insult past you. You don't understand me? But you did there, no. Sometimes they say travel and see. You know what I mean? Say you go travel, then you can't turn rich man. Oh. You they travel, then can't learn sense. When our leaders they rule we, then travel before they can make leaders. But as soon as they come, no, so cause you are too stupid, fool to learn, then they take your village life, no. They rule you. Because they say if you want to catch a fool, you need to act like a fool. You see, say the knowledge where you go acquire for foreign, no. If you take rule you go wise up, then you go see say nah, so we fool for long. Eh? This. So you go take your foolishness, take rule you. That's why you see say you did there, you fool you know get sense. You understand me? You go see say you don't get sense. You did yourself. What you go chop, it be problem give you. You did there what you go chop, it be problem give you. But just say you want come social media can prove gangster. Man, you are not a gangster. You understand me? You don't go feel be gangster. So they there then get sense. You fool. Most of you people you did themselves, you did village inside. Your house, you know, it be claim. Then take claim attack me. I don't know how to go talk. Then take claim build half. Where the rest it be wooden. Where the rest then go take leaves. Take cover your house top. You understand me? So you did there, you just as the fool. You did there, just the fool. Go past Mexico, come America. People they pass, they come. You don't pass those people. Go past, come. Go past, come. What will they can't do for Ghana? You did there, you they cry. Free education self, then do self. You know the fee goes up. You free education self. Free education self, what then do? You know the fee goes up. You don't understand me? English self, you know the fee right. See your English. I they read some people my English. I don't understand what you right said. You don't understand me? See something they write. I swear I am in German. If you like, what kind of English to this that I am in. You don't understand me? So you did there no learn. Oh, look me. You want for there then learn. Learn sense. Nobody go feed you. You go wake up side, go fight this, give this person. You get kidney for there, you get family to feed. If you can say if you die, the person go can't feed your family for you. Nobody go feed your family for you. You don't understand me? So you did anyway they did. See, people here, people come before we. Before we go come, people come before we. Where we go, people go come after we. You understand me? How much money be your too much money? How much money you get? Those Bill Gates category, you don't go fit put you for there. Your money no reach Wizkid in money safe. You no reach Olamide money safe. You no reach Timaya money safe. Your money no reach, I don't know, that Dubai, that then get some Dubai rich kid. Your money no reach that people that are money safe. For you to come to Bill Gates, then them are level. Hey, you go, for you to come, even come to Buffett, Trump, then them are level. You there they say you get money. Your money no go fit come to Lil Yachty them, Lil Uzi where they start rap yesterday. Your money self no go reach them a level. You there you they buy second-hand car. You they make noise. You they compare yourself with people they buy tear rubber. My paddy, if God make you some small alumni share, I give you small money. Sit your ass down. Enjoy am now your own. But I get this, I get that. You know, we know the one here. We sick and tired of it. You understand me? We sick and tired of it. I get this, I get that, I get this, I get what you get. Onya egbemi jiate. Bulu wanabi. No oluna ke majo tumo ploto ne egbe motomi. O tumo ploto. O di se prekwa wato atechemu. Mu fie mu tan. When him dompe to say turumu. Kasia. Chao. When him tan bi to say Chinese ni aburu webi otina baby. When him tan to say Chinese ni aburu webi otina China kurasi bim. Kasia Jimini. Kwasia Jimini. You dey the way you dey home. Common laptop self you don't get. iPhone latest they come out self. You know they feel buy some. iPhone latest self. You know if you buy some. Hey, Wizkid say make I tell you people something. Listen to what Wizkid won't tell you. And I swear they're rich away. Shall for that day if you cross my lane, no way. Shall for that day if you cross my lane, no way. Touch your toes. Tell me, which of your bandana in song where he hit past this one? Me, somebody say make I block him. I don't go block you, they give me views. Why I go block somebody where they give me views? You think I say a fool? You they give me views. You they give me views, so I go block you. You see, some guy be say they call him Natty Bongo. Natty Bongo, he say they call him Nat Bongo GH. You they insult me. You see, you be following back. I don't want to show you something. See Natty Bongo, you they insult me. He did somebody in car top. See the car plate be Davido 2017. He say support your own. No. Why you no go put your name for there? The car self I not say no be your own. You see say you fool. They say support your own, but I see the car plate. You see the normal plate. You see your normal plate. You see say you fool. You see the car self I not say you be following back. You know be your car. See Davido. Onye Toto mi Davido be your name. You see, you be following back. You be following back. Your eye no open. You too, you get social media, they insult people. See you. If you be gay or what, see you. See you. See something. See your dressing. The hat people, the website, the justice, everything be fake. You see why I say I don't go come Ghana? You see your dressing. You see, I tell you, say, most of the people where they insult, go watch them. Ugly born by monkeys. Ugly born by monkeys. You today social media, did they insult? Follow back, you dey stand somebody in kind body. You see, if somebody dey stand somebody in kind body, you go see say the car no be your own. You see him? You understand me? You be fool. Now you know the comment you ran, follow back. You go do follow back and you go die. Whiskey say make I talk to you. Listen, Whiskey tell them. Hey, Satamichi go follow come around. You know one thing. You know one thing. See, you dey wear winter jacket. Winter jacket. See, for Ghana, you dey wear winter jacket. Say Nat Bongo. Hey, villagers dey oh. See, for Ghana, you dey wear winter jacket for Ghana. See am. You people they made it, they laugh Ghanaians, no. So you can't put this picture for Facebook for like. You can't put this picture for Facebook for like. People they like your picture, they laugh you. They say Nati Bongo dress to see slippers. Come on, shoe papa self. You know the feedback give yourself. They compare yourself to me. Make I go show you my closet, the shoes where they there. See, hey, Charlie, Ghana. You say make I come Ghana. With this life I go come Ghana. See, with this life, see, hey, we can't trust it to be this. Yeah. Hey, Charlie. Oh, Charlie, say, I dey pray say Ghana, hey. See something. You too. I know. You know be a shower. I no sure say any better girl self go love you. You know be a shower. You go get chopper. You get girlfriend. You get girlfriend. I dey ask you. You get girlfriend. What see ya? You two they can't talk. They can't talk. You I tell you say me I know they like ugly people. I find past you. You see, I be nice boy past you. Your village where you dey. If me I come Ghana today, the king for your village go come out in Kentepu for ground, me I go work for top. The village where you dey, me if I come today, your king for there. You go come out in Kentepu, I go work for top. Charlie, me I'm mad oh. I get time give you people. You there your bandana. Hey, bandana bo chena mojibo. Ali do na mojibo bandana you be who? You buy fresh car before from your Corolla X, then the car you dey buy will be bomb accident can kwan. You dey drive the Range Rover way they drive. Whiskey they drive that Range Rover somewhere in 2011. The Range Rover where they drive right now, they make noise. Whiskey they drive that Range Rover 2011. That G1 where they take that shoe where they drive. Can't show you the year. It not be 2017. It not be 2016. It not be 2002 or 2003. Whiskey drive that one, throw them away. How much be your too much money? We don't get money, oh. So we don't come social media can't tell somebody who say we get money. But they disgrace Ghana. Do your music make we support you. Make you not go bring any calamity, can't give on our brothers way, then they outside. You understand me? So you did there, you read one, I see you on them now. So you did the way you dey do your thing, do your thing. Say make Whiskey come back to Nana Akufo-Addo. Nana Akufo-Addo no fool like you. Or if you can say he invite you come what do they call them, the White House, the Flagstaff House or whatever they invite you, you know. So you go feel make law or talk give Nana Akufo-Addo. Wow. Hausa people go say wow tolo shanu rago me gbe nabu kafin ausifin ufifin kolatu. You the Arabi, you do some give Arabi, gangster no they call police. Arabi reply with Obishi, you know fit. You take go Yapono kill you plus Ben Abu, you know fit. This sheriff release Ali do when he's good. Now your head all make what? Your head all make fire. Kwa shia chobi. Then you did, then you go talk. If you get any help, go help the underground artists. Nobody they buy your song again. Nobody. We go support one our own. If you go support one our own, we get the person you go support. You know be that foolish fool. You know be that foolish fool. That foolish fool would never go support them. See, most of the followers be villagers. Why we go support them? Why we go support them? We don't support foolish fools. So you people they go they create fake account. Me, I don't get time for fake account too. No, fake account no be me my side. You be man. Bring your own real account. Make you not take fake account can't comment. You understand me? Real men don't comment with fake account. You go take real account can't comment. Then we go see say yeah he be you be this. But because he be fucking coward, he did that he go create fake account. No, Pop Skinny he be your boy. You understand me? Pop Skinny he be follow back. Pop Skinny they follow back too much. As he say he inbox somebody, they tell the person say if he catch him, he go beat him. Who you go fit beat for Ghana, Pop Skinny? Pop Skinny, you be a punching. He be go to the things you they steal for mountains there where then sack you where you run come Accra. Eh? Pop Skinny, you be go to the things you they steal for mountains. We know you. You they still go to the things where they sack you where you run. Where you run come Accra. Cause here you get money. Somebody say get money. How much be money? How much be money? Cause here you get money past me. Me I don't get money. I tell you say I get money. I don't get money. You know what be my money? My money be you. You they watch me. You be my money right now. You be my money. Pop Skinny be goat. He be goat they steal. I punching. Meh. That be what they steal. That be what Pop Skinny they steal. Goat. Goat thief. Goat thief. That be what they do. So that boy what tell you. Pop Skinny be goat thief. He is still goat. Pop Skinny be goat thief. So he is still. Andre. It's not for babies, men and ladies. Pop Skinny. Pop Skinny be goat stealer. This be what Pop Skinny they steal. Goat. If you attack. Focus on baby. Mana dragon ko Susa. Mbali duba wasanka. Ni madanso na saranka with the body. Tambe babanka. Somebody call me a Lidu. In got no be shot like Lidu. Ni madanso no be Ludu. Can't play we like dice and Ludu. Hey, we know the fancy Ganda people. Alidu and his goat. Ay, Musesu, Alidu and his goat. Guda to badi, guda the paduka, bacho, kayazu, de shaduka. From Capita. You be Vita. No fearless. In the world, in the business. Kids don't talk, no me presence. All you do and is good. What do you mean? Kobina said, them say you go do peace plus bandana as he come Worcester. It be true. He come Worcester, me don't no get any peace talk. You understand me? He come Worcester, where my general call me, tell me, say, Ali do day here. You understand me? But they talk, they won't make me the Ali do talk, which is bandana, mo could settle everything. Well, I tell my general, say, me the Ali do no get problem. If you stop the fooling, me too I go stop. You understand me? Make you no figure say the rule Ghana, they make law give Ghana. So what I say, okay, they go call me, make I talk to Ali do. I say if them call me, it be two things. Me, I know they want to talk to him. If he then call me, I go record them, or I go live video, whatever I get talk, make it talk to the people. Me, I know be sell out nigga. I know they sell out my people. I'm from Zongo. I'm from Tudu, Adabraka, Nima, Newtown. Madina, Shama, I sit or I be Zongo, Babelekpe. So I know they sell out. That's why the CC say, me that lead you, no free talk. Me that lead you, no get problem. Until I do learn how to watch him off. Make him know how to pet himself. You know the rule Ghana, you know they make no law give Ghana. We get president, we get people. He no be shattered. Then get people where them wake up right now, you go keep quiet. That Ghana they zook, how many times you go fish shoot them? You know be nobody. The people where them give them that power, no. They go fish shut them down. You know say if they true, then get king chief makers or king makers. You know. You know so they get people they choose kings. Then they go feel come you for the throne top. So make you relax. Ghana no be own. In France, you know get any fans. In France, then they say my fans go worry you. If Whiskey come Ghana today, where they give them only 2 or 3 soldiers, none of you fans go come close to the soldiers. There'll be more they make. If he come today, if he come Ghana today, where they give Whiskey 3 soldiers, make you work plus them, they guide them. None of you fans go closer to the soldiers. None of you fans. Them more they fear, they be mobbed they make. Then see police they go run right now. Police stop them, no them die. They won't go, they forget they won't go to Sawam. Then go run right now. You be mobbed they make, my fans. Only 3 soldiers serve the work plus Whiskey. They never go close to him. They go see him, they go do a chire, do ana mugu, ana daria. They go come out them my eye. It be more they make for them. My friends go worry you, my friend. Tarosis and Alaba. I be know say people where then get big mouth like me. We they up, we they wake up, we they talk poor like how we they chop shit, no. So we they talk. Mimi. Your father find past me, I can no go born monkey like you. Your father he find like me, I can no go born monkey like you. Your village today, your village prince, your village king, if you see me, you go come out in Kente put down, go work for Tor. Onya egbe mi bulu abi. Kwa shia onyenye tumo nyenye. Tumo na ka agbe megbeke bia egbe nyenye tumo ka mo nim ti se ade kwa huna nkola. Mo nim ti se ka aka motobi. Anduru wa mumuna e kama yara takandoki. Shegu idon ku kama anyo ogbojo rough road your face like ogbojo the rough road zingle no. Kwa shia phone thieves where they still phone. The only people go fit do be editing. If you be man, take phone put for your top, then talk shit. Come on, PG self, people know if you talk. Hey, come on, PG self. People can't even speak pidgin. Then how can you even speak a good English? Pidgin is a broken English for Africans. Pidgin is a broken English for Africans. The Africans use pidgin to trade. You can't even speak pidgin. How can you even speak good English? Ghana is colonized by the British people. And we were taught English in school. When we were in school, you have no right to speak your local language, which is vernacular. You can't speak that. You gotta speak English. My nigga, you can't even speak PG. How can you even express yourself in a good English? You can't even, if they ask you, hey, my brother, my sister, who are you? Take pen and paper, write about yourself, myself. You can't even write it. You are here commenting, throwing all sort of shit in fake fucking broke-ass English. I can't even read some of the fucking comment, man. It's so pitiful, yo. It's so disgraceful, man. So look, Ghana, colonized by British people, my people. You can't even write good English, yo. And even if you can write good English, you're supposed to speak good English. You can't even speak that. And common pidgin mixed with Gantry, Hausa together. You can't even speak that, yo. Who the fuck is you, man? Let me take you back to my British answer, man. Fucking black club, man. Fucking cunt, man. Black club, you can't even fucking speak English, man. Why you out there fucking watching me say fucking shit, man? Hooah! Oh, man. I love you people, man. I dey give Alidu. Tell Bandana say, make you go sit down. And Namu, John, Adu Showman, John Way see gun. He dey play gun. My party, you go fish shoot. If them put goat downstairs say shoot, you go fish shoot. Adu Showman. You know Adu Showman. Monkey, way see banana, Adu Showman. You never sit and dream say that a time go come, you go feel hold gun set. So you see gun or you just give gunshot. Why see ya? You did there. All you people know say go create fake account. Then take and comment. You be man, create make you don't come with fake account too. I don't see you people say. So you where you did there no. You want hitter. Go make better song. Start they play Coco Beat. Coco Beat don't sell again. So my people, that's why I tell you. If you see Alidu for anywhere, tell us say fuck him. You know they make rules give Ghana. Which kid go come Ghana December, can't do anything go do. You know go fit do anything. You know go fit bring shit between we the Ghanaians and the Nigerians. We be brothers. The Nigerians then be one of family for even here, America here, then be one of family. Cause yeah, most of you Ghanaians where you do Sakawa. You know be the Nigerians people that make people buy the cars the things you buy. The Sakawa you did they make noise. You know be the Nigerian people that make you get that money, the cars the things you buy. Ungrateful vultures. Now today people they take the insult and then be robber, then be thief. I be people they learn from the code they drink, you bring them. You know be the Nigerians people they show you how they drink the code. The people they you see Nigerian man today go they kissing ass. So coffee go, oh Oga, which level now? Oga go show you how they thief climb. And Namu Anabi, hey, you people no reach. I they go. Me I know they want do 1 hour video, but you people they want make I do 1 hour video. I they go. Eh?